Guys, we are having a continuous flow of good news and it is tough on which topic the video should be based. We had seen Nifty reaching 20,000 mark and market looks to be in a stable bull run. Currently, most retail participants might be searching for good opportunities to invest in but confused on which sector to choose. In this video, we shall discuss the impact of digital currency in the business world and entire economics of the country. The Digital Rupee or Central Bank Digital Currency, CBDC, would be issued by the RBI. Bank of Baroda recently announced, CBDC UPI QR interoperability functionality on the Bank of Baroda Digital Rupee app is being rolled out to pilot users across 26 cities in India. The rollout would be in a phased manner starting with Android, and will be available to iOS users shortly. So let's declutter what is CBDC or digital currency. In payment apps like UPI, IMPS etc., after the transaction is done from one account to other account, settlement of transaction requires bank to transfer the underlying physical currency from one account to the other. But, in case of digital currency the settlement is done right away and there would be no underlying currency and does not need physical currency settlement act by banks. This would allow a consumer from India to send payments in dollars within seconds 24/7 without any delay in settlement of transaction for any products he imported. Some of the benefits of digital currency: efficient transfers, low transaction costs, no physical damage. It will allow faster settlement of funds, lesser downtime. Available 24/7 and no need for a bank account to have a digital rupee. Swift and smooth cross-border transactions. In addition, customers of below banks can scan the QR code for UPI and pay in digital rupee. Kotak Mahindra Bank, Yes Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, Canara Bank. With the new Fintech in market, I am sure this would increase number of transactions and this mean free flow of money for banks. Hence, bank can utilize their ideal funds in better way to earn more on interest and can also cut down on overheads for maintaining physical currency. This digitalization powered with a strong GDP growth rate opens up good opportunities in the banking sector, giving investors good opportunity to earn. Guys, I am very bullish on banks currently and in the near future. So, I suggest you do proper financial study of banking stocks before investing. An important point to remember is, that there is no one-size-fits-all answer to which sector is the best to invest in. Each sector has its own opportunities and risks, and what's suitable for one investor may not be suitable for another. Additionally, market conditions can change, so it's crucial to remain flexible in your investment approach and adapt as needed. This is just for illustration purpose and cannot be treated as recommendation. For more such updates subscribe, like and comment below.